Here is the Dreame Robot Vacuum F9. Remove the protective films on the side of collision buffer. Install the side brush until it clicks into place. Remove the protective films, place the charging dock on the level ground against the wall, and connect to a power outlet. Make sure there is a distance of 0.5 meters or more on either side of the charging dock, and more than 1.5 meters in front of it. Place the robot onto the charging dock to recharge. The robot will turn on automatically and charge. Pick up easily entangled items such as wires, earphones, or small items before cleaning. Open the water tank lid. Fill the tank with water, then securely close the lid. Use the mopping function. Dampen the mop pad and wring out excess water. Slide the pad all the way into the slot of the water tank until it is securely in place. Align the mopping module as indicated by the arrow, then slide it into the back of the robot until it clicks into place.